Okay, good morning everyone. Today I have one video for sharing about you how to use Adobe Photoshop 2021 and how to open image or picture in Adobe Photoshop 2021. Okay, before I go to start menu and then I open Adobe Photoshop 2021. Okay, please wait until Adobe Photoshop open or finish. Okay, this is Adobe Photoshop 2021. Okay, and then I go to create new and I select file and video and then I select HDV. Okay, and then I put name photo and then I create. Okay, before you can select and open picture in Adobe Photoshop. Okay, how to open picture in Adobe Photoshop? Okay, step 1, I go to file menu and then I select open. Okay, and you can find picture via picture in your computer. Okay, I select folder and then I select photo. Okay, I select photo and then I open. Okay, and then I move picture to my project. Okay everyone, step 1, you can go to file menu and then you can use shortcut. You can use Ctrl plus letter O. Okay, I practice show for you. I click Ctrl letter O. Okay, and you can select picture and then you can open. Okay, and you can move picture, go to your project. Okay, you can zoom in your picture to small. Okay, I zoom in my picture. Okay, I finished for show you about how to open picture in Adobe Photoshop 2021. Okay, thank you for watching my video and thank you for subscribe my channel if you want to see more video about me. Okay, thank you, bye bye.